You use this, but can you decode it? What does LOL mean? Is it A, B, or C? Lock in your answer. The correct answer is B, laugh out loud. Nice! If you got that one, the next abbreviation is even trickier. What does BRB mean? What's your final answer? The correct answer is A, be right back. Still perfect? Let's see if you can keep your streak alive. Only real texters know this instantly. What does BTW mean? Don't answer too fast. The correct answer is C. By the way, don't pretend you've never typed this. What does IDK mean? Is it A, B, or C? Make your choice. The correct answer is A. I don't know. You're doing great, but don't get too confident. This abbreviation appears everywhere. What does OMG mean? Is it A, B, or C? Time's almost up. The correct answer is B. Oh my gosh. Can you stay perfect? The next one gets tougher. Most students see this daily. What does FYI mean? Lock in your answer now. The correct answer is C, for your information. Halfway there, don't lose your streak. Be honest. Have you used this today? What does TBH mean? The correct answer is A, to be honest. The next one is even more common. This one tricks more people than you think. What does TMI mean? Is it A, B, or C? Final answer? The correct answer is B, too much information. You're doing better than most viewers. Every social media user has seen this. What does DM mean? Is it A, B, or C? Lock it in. The correct answer is C, direct message. Don't blink, the next one is coming. Only internet pros know this instantly. What does IRL mean? Time's ticking. The correct answer is A, in real life. You're on a roll. Gamers use this every day. What does AFK mean? Is it A, B, or C? What's your answer? The correct answer is B, away from keyboard. The next one is surprisingly tricky. TikTok fans should know this. What does POV mean? Is it A, B, or C? Decide now. The correct answer is C, point of view. Keep your streak alive. Almost everyone scrolls past this daily. What does FYP mean? Lock it in. The correct answer is A, for you page. Don't miss the next one. Fashion lovers should get this right. What does OOTD mean? Is it A, B, or C? Time's almost up. The correct answer is B, outfit of the day. Can you make it to the end without missing one? This one shows disappointment. What does SMH mean? Is it A, B, or C? Think before you answer. The correct answer is C, shaking my head. The next one catches a lot of students. Be honest with this one. What does NGL mean? Is it A, B, or C? Lock your answer. The correct answer is A. Not gonna lie, you're still in the game. Real texters know this instantly. What does FR mean? Is it A, B, or C? Don't rush. The correct answer is B, for real. Almost there. You probably text this every week. What does RN mean? Is it A, B, or C? Final answer? The correct answer is C, right now. The next one is a favorite. Friends ask this all the time. What does WYD mean? Is it A, B, or C? Choose wisely. The correct answer is A. What you doing? Only a few left. Can you decode this one? What does WBU mean? Is it A, B, or C? Hurry! The correct answer is B. What about you? You're getting close. Only social media experts know this. What does IYKYK mean? Is it A, B, or C? Lock it in. The correct answer is C. If you know, you know. Can you finish strong? News lovers should know this. What does ICYMI mean? Is it A, B, or C? Think fast. The correct answer is A, in case you missed it. Don't lose focus. Opinion time. What does IMO mean? Is it A, B, or C? The correct answer is B, in my opinion. Only a few more. This one sounds more formal. What does IMHO mean? Is it A, B, or C? Decide now. The correct answer is C, in my humble opinion. Stay sharp, you'll hear this everywhere. What does ASAP mean? Is it A, B, or C? Lock your choice. The correct answer is A, as soon as possible. Almost at the finish line. Travelers know this one. What does ETA mean? Is it A, B, or C? Time's up. The correct answer is B, estimated time of arrival. Keep going. Your friend suddenly sends this. What does GTG mean? Is it A, B, or C? Final answer. The correct answer is C. Gotta go. Only 3 left. Late night chats always end with this. What does TTYL mean? Is it A, B, or C? Make your pick. The correct answer is A. Talk to you later. Can you finish with a perfect score? Gamers type this after every match. What does GG mean? Is it A, B, or C? Lock it in. The correct answer is B. Good game. One more challenge left. Final challenge. Don't miss this one. What does BFF mean? Is it A, B, or C? What's your final answer? The correct answer is C. Best friends forever. Congratulations. You made it to the finish line. Now it's time to count your score. How many did you get right out of 30? Let everyone know in the comments below. If you had fun, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exciting math, English, science, and general knowledge quizzes. Tap one of the videos on your screen and see if you can keep your winning streak alive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quiz.